Peter, the car guy, lease manager here from McPhillips Toyota in Winnipeg. People are awesome. Those two behind me are no exception. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Priscila. Thanks.
We have Kuya Joel, Ate Priscila. They're very happy. Please tell everybody what vehicle you chose today.
RAV4 XSE. Yeah, RAV4 hybrid. Maganda.
Very beautiful. He says Maganda means beautiful. One last thing, my friends. Would you tell your other family members and friends to please come here as well?
Of course.
Sure,
yeah,
of course.
Yeah.
And I love this color, metallic silver, right?
That means Maganda Kulay, beautiful color, Maganda Kulay. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.